Hello, everyone. Today, I'll demonstrate what our business plan generator template does. You can find it in the Flow library under the Business Plan Generator option. This flow lets you generate a comprehensive business plan tailored to your input. Customize sections like the executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. It's ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, or anyone looking to formalize their business ideas and strategies. Whether you need a quick draft or a detailed plan, this tool saves time by generating clear, actionable strategies aligned with your goals. For a full tutorial on creating this flow, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.